In this video, we will learn how to flip a vehicle in Fortnite. So in Fortnite, if your vehicle has flipped and you want to flip it back, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is press the E button. So in order to demonstrate, firstly we will flip this vehicle. So I'll just use this platform to flip this vehicle. I broke it. So I could not flip the previous one, but here is another car that is flipped. So in order to flip it back, we'll just need to press the E button while it is flipped on the other side. And after pressing the E button, it will be successfully flipped and you can drive it without any hassle. So this is how you can easily flip a car in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.